This miter saw stand is a fantastic addition to Evolution's product range, perfectly complementing Evolution's miter saws, as well as most other brands of the miter saw. Setup and takedown of the miter stand is quick and easy. This miter saw stand is both lightweight and robust. The stand weighs just 34 pounds and can support long workpieces, up to 118 inches in length, and can support up to 330 pounds. It is equipped with quick-release mounting brackets for fast saw removal and height-adjustable arms, with rollers and end stop. The folding legs and support arms that slide into the stand allow for simple storage and transportation. Fits all Evolution Power Tools miter saws, as well as most other brands of miter saws. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Quick and easy setup. The folding legs, quick-release mounting brackets, and support arms that slide into the stand allows for simple setup, storage, and transport. Number 2. Sturdy and robust. This miter saw stand can support long workpieces up to 118 inches in length and has a maximum workload of 330 pounds. Number 3. Quick-release brackets. Quick-release mounting brackets allow for the fast miter saw removal. Number 4. Repeat cuts. Height-adjustable arms with rollers and end stops make quick work of repeat cuts. Number 5. Fits all Evolution Power Tools miter saws, as well as most other brands of miter saws. Number 6. Note: excludes skill saw 12 inches worm drive, dual bevel sliding miter saw. Number 7. Lightweight and portable. Weighing only 34 pounds, it is easy to transport around the site, all whilst not taking up much space. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.